Staying ahead in project management and agile practices can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Join us for a free 1 hour webinar with Dr. Sam on March 12th at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Whether you're just starting or looking to level up your career, this session is packed with insights you won't want to miss. In this webinar, we'll break down the biggest trends shaping 2025, share actionable strategies to avoid project failures, and help you decide which certification path, PMP, Agile, or hybrid, is the best fit for your goals. Plus, you'll walk away with practical tips for managing stakeholders and risks like a pro. Here's a little bonus for you. If you refer a friend to our upcoming PMP class and they enroll, you'll get a $50 Amazon gift card as a thank you. It's our way of saying thanks for spreading the word. Save the date, March 12th at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is your chance to learn from one of the best in the industry, Dr. Sam, and take a big step forward in your career. And the best part? It's completely free. Don't wait. Spots are filling up fast. Call us at the contact number or send an email to secure your place. We can't wait to see you there.